Now, if we want to check if a variable is null before we use it, we could do that. And that's just, a regular if statement would do. We could just use name is not equal to null. Then we just print out the name. Whoops. A name. And this. I am bugging out right now. Okay. Then my name is. And then if it is not correct, then we can just print out. Check that again. If we run this, it's gonna ask us to check that again because for sure name is equal to null. So we just avoided so many problems. But if we just put, Geo, my name is Geo, and we're good to go. So that's a way that you could check if it's null or not. All right, so in Kotlin, we have other ways for checking if a value is null or not. And there are fallbacks to that as well. So one way is using the safe call operator. And usually this is used with, things that has a chaining effect. So strings are an object and they have predefined functions called methods that come with it. So we can use a safe call operator to check if the string is null or not. And if it is null, using the safe call operator, it returns null. So let's just use that in action so it makes more sense. So we'll just use println. We already have a string called name, and that's outside of it, called name, and we'll use a question mark and then a dot. And these are the predefined functions, or they're called methods, that come with a string. So we're just going to use length. And if we run this, right, we should just expect 3. Oh, I forgot to, let me just comment all of this out. If we run it again, we should expect 3, all right? Now, if we were to just put no, and we run this, it just returns no. And you're probably like, okay, that's expected. I mean, this is null, right? But if we were to remove this safe call operator, see, only safe calls can be called on this because of the fact that it's null, and we already made this notable. Kotlin already warned us beforehand, like this is null. You might want to use a safe null operator, because if we use a dot length on a null property, it would cause a lot of problems. So we can use the safe call operator to just return null if this is null. Cool stuff.